Okay, so full spectrum laser hobby series, laser cutter engraver. We will check and remove the bubbles from the lasing tube. So the first step to doing that is plug in your little water pump, okay? Water pump with distilled water, 2 to 3 gallons. Make sure the pump is submerged, and then I'm just going to plug it in, and then we'll watch the bubbles move out of the lasing tube. So here we go. Okay, I'm going to open up and watch as the bubbles take off. We want all of those air bubbles to be removed by the pump. See how there's one air bubble? It just kind of sits there. We don't want that. Okay, I might have to do something extra to get that to be removed. I might be able to just take the machine and tilt it. Okay, now I would have to tilt it this side up if I wanted that air bubble to move. So I'll go ahead and try that. Now this laser cutter happens to be on a riser, which is just a little metal casing that it's sitting on. So I'm just going to lift it up. Okay, like that. It's a bit heavy. Okay, and then I want that air bubble to disappear, so I'm lifting up. There they go. Yay. Oh, air bubbles have gone, and they have traveled to the escape tube, which is right above where it says laser aperture. Okay, so I tilted it up and drained those air bubbles out that tube above where it says laser aperture. Okay, so this is about the angle of tilt that I get. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, I had to tilt it up to remove those air bubbles. This is very important. Okay, very important to do. You do not want air bubbles in your laser tube. Now there will be little tiny ones. Okay, those may not be able to prevent all of the little tinies. That's okay. Okay, so I've successfully cleared the air bubbles, the large air bubbles, from the cooling area of the lasing tube.